Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Tonight we are taking a magical drive through the Ashebrooke Night of Lights right here in Cummings, Georgia. This neighborhood is famous for its incredible Christmas decoration. And trust me, every house here is a showstopper. So buckle up, grab some hot cocoa, and let's enjoy the sparkle of Christmas together. So just to add some fun in this drive, I'm giving some random numbers to these houses and you tell me which one is your favorite. So this is the first house and this is amazingly beautiful, giving all the Christmas vibes. Looking at that glowing archway of lights feels like driving through a tunnel of Christmas magic. This one has all about the icy vibes, cool blue lights everywhere, glowing snowflakes, shimmering white trees in the front yards, and it feels like stepping into winter wonderland. There's a giant sleigh, reindeer in the yard, and twinkling snowflakes hanging around the trees. It feels like Santa workshop landed there. Every house here is differently beautiful and every house here is uniquely decorated. It's a simple but feels so cheerful and welcoming. Look at this one. This is a classic red and white lights, candy canes lining the driveway, and a huge Santa waving hello. This one is a Grinch theme house. This one is my personal favorite. Oh, such a big Grinch. Here is one with soft lights, gentle music, and beautiful reminder of what Christmas is all about. This one is beautifully decorated, peaceful, and heartwarming. So we are nearing at the end of our tour, but look at this neighborhood. These houses are straight out of a Christmas movie and they are sparkling from top to bottom. The joy and the effort behind all this is just amazing. So that's a wrap of our drive through Ashebrooke Night of Lights. and it's incredible to see that how much love and creativity goes into making this neighborhood shine. So if you have enjoyed this tour, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel and share a little Christmas cheer. Thanks for joining me, and I have mentioned the address of this neighborhood in my description box. So if you're in Atlanta and it's Christmas time, don't forget to visit here. Keep watching us. See you in our next video. Till then, keep exploring.